This is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World. We're going to be taking a look at this one owner 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It is a Z71 four-wheel drive. It comes with Michelin tires all the way around. The body's in good shape. Nice clean truck for being a 2006. It does have 208,000 miles. Well, you can see the frame. It does come with a spray bed liner. You do have rear entertainment. You don't see that very often in these trucks. This interior, let me show you a little bit more of the frame. There you go. I don't know how well you all can see that. Sunroof. There's no warning lights on the dash. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. Please feel free to give us a call at 540-898-8300 if you have any questions. We also have Facebook and Instagram if you are on the social network. 540-898-8300. Thank you.